Tradition of Ubtan is very old. Even today, people start using Ubtan before a week of the wedding to enhance the appearance and the skin quality of the bride. It has lots of natural nourishing ingredients that make skin fairer, softer, glowing, radiant, tighten skin, reduce dullness and signs of aging. So today I am going to share an Ubtan face mask that will give you such benefits. So now let's move ahead to the Ubtan recipe for bride.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Magical Ubtan recipe. Ingredients: you will need orange peel powder 3 tablespoons, sandalwood powder 3 tablespoons, almond powder 3 tablespoons, liquorice powder 3 tablespoons, rice flour 3 tablespoons, wild turmeric powder half tablespoon, gram flour 3 tablespoons, yogurt 2 tablespoons, raw milk 2 tablespoons, lemon juice 1 to 3 tablespoons as needed. How to make or use Ubtan for bride. First of all, grind a half full of almond to make powder of it. Now grind rice to make powder of it. Combine orange peel powder, sandalwood powder, liquorice powder, almond powder, rice flour, white turmeric powder, gram flour in quantity given here. Store this powder in an airtight container. In a bowl, take about 1 to 2 tablespoons of Ubtan powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of raw milk and lemon juice, according to your preference. Keep it in a medium thick consistency and use rose water instead of lemon juice if you have sensitive skin. Leave this Ubtan for 3 to 4 minutes. Now apply this Ubtan face mask over cleansed face and neck. Allow the masks to sit on your face for 20 minutes. Wash off with normal water. Then apply a good moisturizer and use a sunscreen containing at least SPF 30. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.